Okay, and in that I was telling you some of these sentences. With that sentences I was explaining you all, right? So I will repeat this for you so that you can understand. Those who were not present that day, okay, they can also join and understand it, right? Okay, right? So I will write one sentence. First of all, you need to understand that what is verb. The verb says something about the subject, right? When it is saying something about the subject, when it is saying something about the subject, okay, that will be countable in verbs, right? A verb is mainly a doing verb. That day also I have told you that verb is a doing verb, okay, right? Whatever I will like to explain, what I'm telling you is that basically is it is an doing action. The form is come under your verb, right? Like I have telling you one sentence that is written over here is I feel sorry for him, right? So underline word is feel. One more sentence I will write for you. He goes there daily. Goes, right? So what two things I have underlined over here is one is feel and other is go. So what we can say, it is about doing word, right? Doing word will be countable in verb. It says that something or somebody does an action, right? Whatever the action is being performed is done by somebody or something will be countable in verb. Such a verb is called as action verb. And when these types of doing things is being included, it is known as your action verb, right? So they are given in the book, they have been given you with five of these sentences. I'm reading that sentences. The first is I feel sorry for him, right? Second is he goes there daily, right? Third is she makes her own clothes, right? Fourth is these plants flourish in the damp climate. And the fifth is he walked in the rain. Okay, so five sentences are there. Excuse me. Okay, so in all these five sentences, what they are being doing, they are being saying something about the subject, right? वो किसी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में हमें बता रहा है. They are being giving something about the subject, okay, right? So this will be countable in verb, okay? ये सब verb में count होगा, ठीक है? Okay, now, but there are something more which is given, that is these verbs say something about the subject and a verb mainly doing the word is countable in your action verb. Okay, then word like be, okay, have, okay, all are included in the verbs, right? The word be and have will also be included in verb. Okay, clear? Okay, they tell us about somebody and something is being has. Okay, that is the being part is being countable in the verb also, right? जैसे आपके इसमें एग्जाम्पल्स में दिया हुआ है, that is am, right, is, are, was, were. ठीक है, तो ये आपके आ गए बी में, काउंटेबल इन बी, राइट? और आपका है, ओके, अब हैव में आ गया आपका फर्स्ट आपका have, has or had, right? So these are also words which are also called as your verbs, or you can say they are included in verbs. Okay, what happened? If my video is not clear, it might be problem in your network, that's it, and nothing else. Because most of the time the connectivity issue is there, so you are not able to connect properly. Okay, clear? Clear, Aarti? Okay. So now this is basically given two things which you need to remember is like whenever the action is being performed, right? That is countable in your verb, right? And the word be and have are also included in verb, right? Like she is beautiful girl. Okay, I'm telling you with example over here, right? She is a beautiful girl, right? So this is being also included in your verb because state of being beautiful. What it is being stating you, what the sentence is just telling you is being stated as a beautiful girl. Okay, it is being presenting, it is being denoting that beautiful. Okay, वो बता रहा है कि क्या है वो she, what is she is a beautiful girl. Okay, so beautiful is being stated over here, right? And then you are given with the my aunt has a pet dog. Okay, it is being given with the possession of the pet dog over here, right? A verb is not only one word, but it often consists of more than one word, right? अगर हम वर्ब की बात करते हैं, if we talk about verb, it is not just a single word, but you can say it is more than one word, right? ज्यादा है उससे. जैसे these boys are playing football, right? So these boys, right? It is being included with or some many of them, and what are they doing? They are playing football. So this is also countable in your verb, right? Then it has been raining for 2 hours. So 2 hours से क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? It is being raining from 2 hours, right? So a verb is word used to express an action, state, or possession, right? So this is the basic thing you need to understand. Okay, clear to everyone? समझ आ रहा है अभी? But a video is not clear because from my side it is being it is being very clear, right? If my video is not clear, then nobody will able to see me. But it is not so, right? Many of you are able to see me clearly. Okay, so it might be network issue from your side. Okay, Prakar, right? Okay, so now we will move to the next, that is आपके जो मेन जो लाइन है आपको याद रखनी है वो यही होगी हमेशा कि whenever there is a doing action being performed, it is being countable in the verb, and the two main things, that is be and have, are also countable in your verb, right? Okay. Now next is your objectives of verb, right? Some verbs have objectives of them. Okay, the following sentences are given over here that some of the verbs have their objectives, right? For example, the children eat. Okay, the sentence is incomplete, right? अगर हम इस सेंटेंस की बात करते हैं, ओके, हमने इसकी बात की, द चिल्ड्रन ईट, राइट? अब हमने क्या लिखा है, द चिल्ड्रन ईट। अब क्या आपको लगता है ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट है? डू यू ऑल थिंक द सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीटेड? इट इज गिवन विद ऑल द थिंग्स, इट इज बीइंग कंप्लीटेड। व्हाट आई थिंक, दिस सेंटेंस इज नॉट कंप्लीटेड, ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट नहीं है, राइट? What is the main thing? The sentence is not completed because you will definitely want to know what children are eating, right? अगर हम इन इनकम्प्लीट क्यों है ये? क्योंकि हम डेफिनेटली ये जानना चाहते हैं कि बच्चे खा रहे हैं, बच्चे क्या खा रहे हैं, व्हाट ऑल आर दे ईटिंग, राइट? चिल्ड्रन ईट, चिल्ड्रन क्या खा रहे हैं, व्हाट आर दे ईटिंग, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाई वी कैन से द सेंटेंस इज इनकम्प्लीट। ओके, then the verb eat must followed by some word to make complete the sense, right? Obviously to eat, ये कैसे हुआ? children eat, eat should also be followed by some word। eat किससे follow होना चाहिए? किसी word से follow होना चाहिए to make the sense, right? उस sentence को complete करने के लिए उस sentence पे कुछ sense होना चाहिए, और वो sense कैसे होगा? जब उस word complete जो हमारा last word है उसके आगे हम उसको किसी भी word से उसको follow up करेंगे, कंप्लीट करेंगे। और वो कैसे हम कंप्लीट करेंगे? जब हम मेंशन करेंगे कि बच्चे क्या खा रहे हैं, व्हाट ऑल आर द चिल्ड्रंस ईटिंग। क्लियर? अभी समझ आया सबको? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन नाउ? क्लियर हुआ? ओके, क्लियर हुआ? समझ आया? राइट? Shall we move to the next? Okay, so clear to everyone now what I have told? Yes, Aarti, Ayush, clear? Anish, Apurva, Aryan, Bhavya, Kushal, Kunal, Navya, Priyanshi, Sandeep, everyone clear? Okay. So the basic thing which you should know is being clear to you all. That is, the children eat. Eat. The sentence is not completed because it is being not followed by some word that really makes some sense to that word. Okay. Now next we can rewrite the sentence as the children eat fruit. अब मैंने क्या लिख दिया? The children eat fruit, right? The children eat fruit. The children eat fruit. Okay, तो अब इसमें क्या हो गया, right? अब क्या हो रहा है? The verb needs some word to make the complete sense, right? तो क्या हो गया? The children eat fruit, right? Now अब क्या हुआ है? The verb needs some word to make the complete sense, right? That is, the word that are added to the verb to make the complete sense are called their objects, right? जो word किसी भी complete करते हैं किसी भी sentence को followed by making them a complete sense, that is being called as your objective. So in one line we will say the word that are added to the verb, the word that are added to the verb to make complete sense are called objects. ठीक है, तो आपको बेसिकली ये लाइन क्लियर हुई, right? That is, in the above sentence, what do the children eat? Therefore, fruit is the object of the verb eat, right? अब क्या हुआ है, eat आपका क्या हो गया, verb, ठीक है। इसको फॉलोड किससे किया, ईट को फॉलो किससे किया, फ्रूट से, और ये फ्रूट क्या हो गया आपका, ऑब्जेक्ट। क्लियर हुआ बात अब सबको? ये मेन जो थिंग है समझने वाली, वो समझ आई आपको सबको? एवरीवन? ओके, तो दो चीजें जो अभी तक आपने समझी, उसमें दो चीजें जो इम्पोर्टेंट है वो ये है, द वर्ब सेज समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, the verb always says something about the subject, number one, and number two, the verb is a word to express the action, okay, and number three, that a verb needs some word to make the complete sense, right? A verb, that is eat, always need something, some object, right, to complete the sentence, to make the sentence sensible, right? सेंस हो उस सेंटेंस का, वो सेंटेंस रीडेबल फॉर्म में हो, समझ सके हम कि वो क्या हमें बता रहा है, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। तो यहाँ पे जो मैंने आपको दो एग्जाम्पल, एक एग्जाम्पल बताया कि द चिल्ड्रन ईट, ये इनकम्प्लीट है, द चिल्ड्रन ईट द फ्रूट कंप्लीट होता है क्योंकि ईट एक वर्ब है और फ्रूट उसका ऑब्जेक्ट है। तो वर्ब इज फॉलोड बाय, eat is followed by fruit, and fruit is an object, and when the verb is followed by the object, it makes the complete sense to the sentence, right? Clear everyone? And what is an object? An object is, you can say, the word that are added to the verb to make the complete sense is your object, right? Whatever the word is being added to the verb, ठीक है, a verb, ठीक है, वर्ड, ये एक वर्ड है जो ऐड हुआ है वर्ब पे, मेक ए कंप्लीट सेंस, तो ये वर्ड क्या हो गया, ऑब्जेक्ट। अभी समझ आया सबको? क्लियर हुआ एकदम से? एवरीवन? any problem in this? Okay, so this is the main thing which is you need to know about the verbs. अब यहाँ पे तो बात हो गई हमारे verbs की, ठीक है। अब हम पढ़ेंगे kinds of verbs, ठीक है, kinds of verbs भी होते हैं। तो मैं अभी आपको एक सिंपल सा वर्ब बताऊंगी, and then we will continue in the next class, right? हम बात करेंगे kinds of verbs, right? तो अब इसमें दो सेंटेंसेस हमें दिए हुए, वी एट मैंगोज एंड द गर्ल लाफ्ड, ओके। तो जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है हमारा, इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस द वर्ब ईट which requires an object to complete its sense is called the transitive verb, right? अब ये जो verb है eat, इसको कंप्लीट किससे कर रहे हैं हम? अगेन एक वर्ड से कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं, और वो वर्ड क्या है? विथ वर्ड which we are completing it and it making a complete sense is called as transitive verb. Okay, clear? And the second sentence, the verb laugh goes requires any object. It makes good and complete sense by itself, right? So in this, it is being known as the intransitive verb, right? Clear now this thing? Okay. Good if it is clear to you all that what is the difference between the transitive and the intransitive verb. Okay. And therefore it is clear that transitive verb requires an object. Okay. Transitive जो words है उनको हमेशा object की जरूरत होती है to make the complete sense. अगर हमें किसी sentence का complete sense बनाना है तो we need the transitive. But on the other hand, any and intransitive sentences जो हैं verb है जो they does not require any object to complete the sentence. उन्हें किसी भी object को complete करने के लिए since really don't need any object to complete the sense for the sentence. The girl laughed loudly, or the girl laugh whatever you will not add anything in that. So what you are doing in the girl laugh वाले में आप कोई object put नहीं कर रहे हो. You are not putting any object and making the sense of that sentence because it is being already defined, right? The sentence is being already given. But when we talk about he ate mangoes, that is the verb. Ate is a verb and it is being followed by the object mangoes. What she is eating? She is eating mangoes. So that sentence is being um, followed by an object. So whenever there is a need of an object, it is a transitive verb. And when there is no need of an object to be followed by a verb, then it is an intransitive. Clear, everyone? Clear? Okay, so students, I'm ending the class today, right? And I hope you all have understood. Okay, bye all of you and take care. Okay, okay, bye all of you.